Hi you guys, so in today's video I want to talk about making adult female friends and what I am currently doing in order to try to make that happen, right? So little backstory and stuff there, I guess, for those who don't know. So I am a single mom and my son has autism. I usually work from home, and so cabin fever started setting in. Definitely wanted to get out of the house more, wanted to meet new people, wanted to just have that person to pick up the phone and talk to during the day. And I realized that I didn't have that, you know what I mean? Some people are still friends with their seventh grade friends and, people from high school and things like that. And although I do know a few people there, it's become more of like acquaintances now, you know what I mean? So I wanted to start making new adult female friends, and this is just a little brief story on like my journey so far doing so. So of course the first place I went to was Facebook. I joined Facebook groups, local mom Facebook groups for my area, and that's actually been really working out really well so far. I've met a pretty good amount of moms and stuff there so far online. In person, I've met like one or two so far. So there's that. Facebook groups. Another thing is I'm just trying to get out there, like literally just go outside, both by myself and with my little one kind of thing there, where we just go to the walking trails and stuff like that. I usually don't go to parks a whole lot, but I want to, but I feel safer going to parks when I'm with another mom and stuff with me, to be honest with you. But yeah, no, we have been doing walking trails and stuff like that together, me and my son. He's 5, so things like that. And then if we run into someone and stuff there and spark conversation, then that's another way that I've been actively trying to make new adult female friends. Another way is just being a little bit more active in the community, like volunteering. So I went inside of the moms group and stuff there, and I put ISO for in search of volunteer opportunities. That way it would give me a chance to be in the same environment of someone else who kind of thinks like me and believes in the same things that I do and stuff there, and enjoys giving back and helping people, things like that. And the people that I volunteer with, that person I hit it off with, could particularly be another mom, and even better if she's another autism mom. So yeah, I wanted to really put myself out there. It just gets so gosh darn lonely sometimes, when you go about life and you're just working, you wake up, you work, you sleep, you eat, you repeat and stuff, and you kind of just get caught up in the matrix. And then all of a sudden you realize, what about your hobbies, right? I can't speak for everyone, I can only speak for myself. But it made me start thinking about okay, what are my hobbies? What did I used to do for fun before I became a mom? What do I like to do and stuff there as far as hobbies with my son? This is his childhood, so what do I want for him to remember? I don't want him just remember me being tired all the time from working and stuff. And it's not like my work is strenuous, to be perfectly honest. It's just that it just gets really boring at times and stuff there, because I can finish what I do rather quickly. So I just really want to also, another reason why I wanted to make more adult female friends was because I wanted to create that village, not just for myself but for my son as well. I wanted to create that strong family network of not just family but friends as well. So I've been reconnecting with my cousins, with my family, and stuff too, because I feel like that stuff's really, really important. And I remember when I was younger, my family, um, we would do family reunions and stuff there on like both sides of the family, and like we would do get-togethers and cookouts, and I would spend my summers at my cousin's house in the country, and so and sell produce and all of these things. I have all of these vivid memories, like these beautiful memories of spending them with my family and my friends, and I want my son to have that too. So I'm trying not to beat myself up too bad for not automatically having that right away. He is only 5, you know what I mean? So I mean, like, I've got time, but I do want to start that now, so like maybe he can start growing up with the children of this close knit friends network that I'm trying to form. So, that. Not only that, but another reason why I wanted to start making more female friends was because, as I mentioned before, my son has autism. He is only 5, so this journey has been a wild one, and meeting other autism moms means a lot to me because they know what I'm going through, and I don't have to apologize every 5 seconds for my son's certain quirks or behavior, and stuff there sometimes, because I know that they're gonna understand exactly where I'm coming from with it, and what my son's going through and things like that. They won't think of us as like like weird or stuff like that, or like think of him as just like being bad just because he doesn't understand. Gets very impatient very quickly, all the things, and we would be able to relate to one another. But I am open, of course, to being friends with moms that are not autism moms too, just because I mean, everybody's different, so it's all good. But yeah, no, so I just wanted to kind of share in this video for any other moms and stuff there that are going through the same, where you kind of feel like you're in like a rut and you're at home and you're just working and eating and sleeping and taking care of the kids, and then you wake up and you do it again all over, and you just getting miserable sometimes, you know what I mean, and stuff there, and you feel like you need that friend to talk to, but you don't have it, and you don't know how to put yourself out there yet. I wanted to make this video for you because your friend is out there, your listening ear is out there. I I would like to put a disclaimer though, that I would not advise to get a friend just to be the listening ear and stuff there. I'm really big on therapy and stuff, and I'm not pushing this on anyone at all, but I myself and stuff there, I love my therapist and stuff, and I feel like it helps me to be a better mother, friend, daughter, sister, all the above, right? So things like that. But a friend is a different type of listening ear. You can kind of be a little bit more candid than you would with like a therapist and stuff there. It's a different type of vibe. So, like your friend is out there waiting for you to go and take those travel vacations, maybe family vacations, and stuff there, maybe best friend vacations. You never know until you put yourself out there and actually try to meet new people. Like I have ADHD and stuff there, I have anxiety, and if I'm being very candid and completely transparent, I have 5 things. So it's ADHD, anxiety, depression, and then it is bipolar anxiety and stuff there. And I work through, it's hard for me to put myself out there and meet new people because of those things. And I didn't know that until I started going to therapy, to be perfectly honest with you. I had no clue. I just knew something was different about me, and that I had to work a little extra harder to really, really connect with people and to make those strong bonds. But I really didn't know what. You know what I mean? So yeah, but I hope that this video and stuff there helped somebody somewhere feel a little bit better and make you feel not alone. You're not weird or wrong for craving friendship and to crave human connection and stuff there. That just means you're human. If you like this video and stuff there, feel free to give it a like and follow me on my platforms. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.